Hello guys, my name is Himanshu and you all are watching HR Study channel. So today we are going to learn and today we are going to having conversation. Today we are going to get informations about all the whatever's happening in 21st of June 2020. So here is a photo pic, you can say, the solar eclipse. There are three types of solar eclipse. First, the partial solar eclipse. It means it will cover the sun half by the moon. You can see there's a pic, there's a cover by the this side is moon and this side is sun. It is covered by the sun is covered by moon in the half. So second one is the total solar eclipse. That is also called the ring solar eclipse. Ring solar eclipse. It shows this side. So this is ring size. From the any one side, it will show the sun, but it will not cover properly. That is second is total solar eclipse, and then third, which is going on in today, which is going on today. The third one is annual solar eclipse. It will be covered, but from the outer side you can see the sun. This three was a solar eclipse. So let's now we are talking about the yoga. So first one is our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modiji. Second is Vijay Vidya Rajesh Kotke, Secretary, Minister of Ayush Mantralaya, and then the third one is Sripal Yos Nayak, Union Ministry of Ayush. This three-person is important in our because this two has connected with our Ayush Mantralaya. That's why, and Modi is also the most person. Okay, no. The history of yoga. Yoga is based on the spiritual life. Yoga is initially spiritual discipline, which is based on the spatial and the natural science. The word of yoga organized organs from the Sanskrit word yoga, which mean the join which mean the join or unity. And then this is Lord Shankar, means Lord Shiva was the first Adi Yogi and he taught everyone. This is Lord. Yoga is source of yoga. Adi Yogi is source of yoga. There's a pic of Lord Shiva. You can see Lord Shiva. So this is a picture and there's a pose of yoga. Yoga, the all chakrasan, all six chakrasan you can see from there, six or seven or how many you can count there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chakrasans all are, that wake ups when the person is become this brilliant, so no one can defeat in anywhere, and yoga is a good thing. Now first there is a, yeah, Mahatma Maharishi Patanjali is considered that the modern yoga father. Maharishi Patanjali is considered as the modern age modern yoga father. That is, there is a yoga, that is a yoga father. He was the he was the first person who practiced the yoga at that time, and many guru contributed from time to time to rebuild, to continue this culture. And the first international yoga day by by Ministry of Ayush on 21st of June 2015, Rajpath, Delhi. The Guinness Book on that day, on 21st of June 2015, the Guinness Book World Record was made on that day. On this day, that is on the set, we use made. We should use their made. Made on the on this day, 35,985 people was participate in this yoga program. Now, the second international yoga day was the Capital Complex, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the city of complex, capital of complex, capital complex. More than 30,000 people participated in this yoga day with Modiji on 21st June 2016. Third was third International Yoga Day on 21st June. Yeah, by mistake it's written there June, that's why I'm checking. I was checking like this. So is it 26th of June, not May? That is a June 2017. It was organized in Ambedkar in Ramabai Ambedkar Maidan, Lucknow. There were more than 51,000 people with Modiji. Now the fourth one on 21st June 2018, fourth International Yoga Day was celebrated Forest Research Institute of Dehradun. Forest Research Institute of Dehradun. There were more than 50,000 people with Modi ji and Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. So now next one, the Prabhat Tara Maidan, Ranchi, the fifth International Yoga Day in Jharkhand. Over 30,000 people here. It means there was a 30,000. There were 30,000 people. And then sixth one is today. Today is the sixth. It means 21st June 2020, the International Yoga Day. And today one more things, that is our International Music Day. Yeah, there is a music day. Yes, World Music Day. So 2020. So I have made for you all. So this all the informations how you feel about this all, and please tell me. Yeah, this is, you can see there this Yogi ji, and then not the Yogi ji of Chief Minister of UP. No, that is another one. He's a brilliant person with Modi ji. And there is a Adi Yogi's pic, the back side. There's a Yogi pic. The pose of yoga, this too, you can see there, and all the information. So thank you to watch my channel, watch my videos, like, share, and thank you. Please share my channels because I'm doing the hard work for you all to informations about the education. Please guys, support me. I need your support. Thank you to all of you.